Hello, and thank you so much for joining me in this first Salsa Solo for Beginners lesson. Now, I don't want to make the intro too long, so I will tell you a little bit more about this series for beginner salsa dancers at the end of the lesson. And for now, let's just get into it. Now, before we can start to dance salsa, we need to know how to count salsa. Now, and as dancers, we count salsa music in beats of 8. So that's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Let's listen to some music. Do you hear it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So did you hear it? Did you hear the 8 beats in the music? Very good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to step to that music. So when I bring the music back in, I'm going to count down on 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start stepping in place, starting with our right. So it's going to be like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Alright, now let's listen to the music again first. Do you hear it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Now I'm going to count down on 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on 1, we're going to start stepping in place, starting with our right foot first. Remember? Alright, let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 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 right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how did that feel? A little bit fast, maybe? Even though the music, especially for salsa, is not even that fast, and it's even slowed down a little bit. You can still feel a little bit rushed when you step on every count. Now luckily in salsa we get a little breather on count 4 and count 8. In our basics timing we don't step on these counts. So what you get then is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's exactly how we step. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let's bring the music back so we can listen for that basic timing. And then we're going to step to the music again. But this time skipping a step on 4 and 8. Okay, now let's see if you can find the basic timing first. Do you hear it? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now the same as before. I'm going to count down, this time on 5, 6, 7. And then on 1 we're going to start stepping in place, starting with our right foot first. Don't forget to pause on 4 and on 8. You ready? 5, 6, 7. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, and 5. Now I'm pretty sure you didn't watch this video because you wanted to march to salsa music. You want to learn how to dance to salsa music. Now one of the things that separates dancing from marching is our posture and the way we use and move our bodies when we step. So let's take a look at that and we'll go from top to bottom. Now first our shoulders. Back, down and relaxed. Pick your hands up below your chest. Palms facing down. Now the way we move our arms is connected to how we step. What might help is to think about cradling a baby. Each time I step, I cradle my baby towards the foot that is stepping. So cradle, 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 except my palms are facing the floor. The movement of your arms comes from your upper arms. Your core should be engaged, so pull those muscles in, pull your belly button towards your spine. Your knees should be always slightly relaxed, slightly bent. Never completely lock your knees, even though when we step we have this bending and straightening motion of the legs, we never completely straighten them. Now while I'm here, you can see that I step with my toes first. Toe, ball, heel, toe, ball, heel. So we roll our feet off all the way from the toe to the heel. But we never completely put our weight onto our heels. We should always aim to have our weight centered above the balls of our feet. So when we stand, we have this straight line from our ears through our shoulders and our hips towards our ankles. And we're going to tilt this complete line forward towards the balls of our feet. Don't break the line. If you break the line, see, then the weight instantly comes into my heels. So keep the line straight, but tilt it forward while your knees are still relaxed. Now the last very important thing is to put the emphasis of your step downwards into the floor. So down, 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 down. So it doesn't look like this. You see the difference? Now let's go over our checklist. Shoulders, back down and relaxed. Hands up. Cradle the baby, core is engaged, knees are relaxed, and we're stepping with our toes first, while the weight remains above the balls of our feet, and we're stepping into the floor. Alright, now let's do some timing and coordination exercises to the music and have some fun. I'm just gonna put the music on and then each time I'll shortly explain what we're going to do and then I'll start and you can join me whenever you're ready. Alright, let's go. Alright, now let's start by stepping in place. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Right, left, right, right, left. 1, 5. Alright. Now instead of stepping in place, we can also step to the front and to the back. So we're going to the front on 1, 2, 3 and to the back on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and step in place. And 1. Good. Alright, now while stepping in place, we're going to clap on 4 and on 8. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Good. Alright, now let's combine that with stepping to the front and the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and step in place. 1. Good. 1. Alright, now let's start moving our arms. 5, 6, 7. We're going to go up on 1, 2, 3 and back down on 5, 6, 7. You ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Good. Now let's combine those arms with stepping to the front and the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And step in place. 6, 7. 1, 5. Alright. Now let's clap again, but this time on 2 and 6. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Okay, now the music is almost over, and when it ends, we're gonna pose, alright? 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And pose. Alright, I thought that was fun. Let's do one more song. And step in place. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Alright. Now we left off with clapping on 2 and 6. So I want to step forwards and backwards one more time, and this time combine it with the claps on 2 and 6. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And step in place. And 1. Good. 5, 6, 7. Now we can step to the front and to the back, or we can also step to the right and to the left. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Come and join me. To the right, to the left. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And step in place. And 1, 5. Alright. 5. Now let's combine that with the claps on 4 and 8. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And step in place. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Now remember how we did the arms? We can also do one arm at a time. 5, 6, 7. So right on 1, 2, 3 and left on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Good. Alright, now let's do the stepping to the right and the left again, and this time with single arms. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And step in place. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Alright, now last little challenge for you. We're going to clap once on 2 and double on 8. So it's going to be 8N. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 8N. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 8N. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 8N. 1. 5. 1. 5. Awesome, you guys. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Now you can use this video for practice or as a warm-up for our next lessons, and more videos about timing and posture, etc., more in-depth videos will follow in the future. But first we're going to start with this series for beginner salsa solo dancers. Now in this series you will learn a new step or a new shine, as we say, every week, with some fun and easy choreographies in between. So next up is going to be, of course, the basic step. So if you want to learn the basic step and more, please consider subscribing and keep an eye out next week for the next video. And I hope to catch you then. Bye!